joining BJP
It is
today?
now only I have come to the office. I think the matter is clear. There is nothing to be hidden now. I am here to join the BJP. Very soon I will take the Sadasta of the BJP.
Right.
And whatsoever now I'll...
But soon enough, but not today.
No, I'm going to take today itself. Let's see, we'll decide. We're going to talk on this matter. Definitely.
Right, so that's Sabir Ali making clear that he is going to join BJP today.
Well, a reaction, of course, over there coming in from Rebel JDU leader Sabir Ali, who was earlier expelled from the JDU earlier this week. Now, he has admitted that he is likely to join the BJP. Do remember that Sabir Ali was earlier denied a Rajya Sabha re-nomination by the party, and he, in fact, openly praised Narendra Modi's policy, attracting really the wrath of his party. He was expelled on the 24th of this month. He was also a JDU candidate from the Sheohar seat. Let's once again listen into that reaction that we got from Sabir Ali.
Actually, joining BJP
It
today?
is now only I have come to the office. I think the matter is clear. There is nothing to be hidden now. I am here to join the BJP. Very soon I will take the Sadasta of the BJP.
Right.
And whatsoever now I'll...
But soon enough, but not today.
No, I'm going to take today itself. Let's see, we'll decide. We're going to talk on this matter. Definitely.
Right, so that's Sabir Ali making clear that he is going to join BJP today.
Well, Aishwarya now joins me on the phone line. Aishwarya, how much of a dent is it really for the JDU? We've been seeing this kind of rebellion in the party ever since they decided to break ranks with the NDA.
Well, that's right, but then Sabir Ali joining BJP, yes, it's a sign because he's the man who has been taking on Narendra Modi heads-on for the last 3 years now. He has been hitting out at the BJP's prime ministerial candidate, even as soon as last 3 months ago. So very clearly now it's a clear change. What we are being told by our BJP sources is that they are trying to send out a message that the people who used to take on Narendra Modi are now coming into the party fold. So it's a message going down that it was nothing more than a political gimmick, because all of those people, it is not only about Sabir Ali, it is about Jagdambika Pal from Congress. So all of these leaders across party lines, from Congress, from JDU, joining BJP now, they want to give out a message that all those people who were raising fingers onto Narendra Modi was nothing more than political vendetta, because Sabir Ali has been one of those few leaders within the JDU who has been raising fingers onto Narendra Modi. And today, when he is all set to join BJP, while talking to Times Now, he makes it clear that now there is no ambiguity. It is completely clear that he is joining BJP today itself. So yes, more and more leaders joining BJP. It is a blow to Nitish Kumar because Sabir Ali is shifting from Nitish to Modi. So yes, a blow to Nitish and an add-on for Narendra Modi yet again.